Hello, everyone. Welcome to this late night stream. I don't expect anyone to be watching, but I um, streamed earlier today and got made some good progress, and I have some free time right now. So I'd like to continue. Let me load up my files, project. Let me open them up. So I have a list of to-dos, things that I want to get to. So top of this list, how to render multiple objects at the same time. See frame buffer. So what's happening is, just give me a minute. All right. So here in my game.js file, I have this render function. So I have two things, draw scene and draw circle. Um, turns out whichever one is um, later on, that one overrides everything that comes before it. For example, uh, currently I have draw circle. So if I load up my game file, I get a circle, and this is what I see. I don't see the draw scene, which is a floating cube. Now, if I were to do this, so draw scene is after draw circle. Now I get the floating cube, and I don't see the circle at all. So basically, these two functions are clobbering each other and overriding each other. So I want to figure out how I can have them. This I want to see both the square and the circle. That's the main thing. uh, Drawing multiple things. Yeah. So this website seems to be fairly, fairly comprehensive. Albeit it's a bit uh deeper than what I need currently because I'm a beginner to WebGL. Ah, that's one of the most common questions. Yeah, and I hope to keep track of the chat. Not many people watch this stream, but um, hmm, okay. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, so Windows does not have the ability to to make a window float above everything. So basically, when I click away, it covers it. Yeah, so let's do some reading. Use program. Yeah, for each thing I want to draw, I call use program. Mhm. This is a pretty good description of what's going on. Yeah, it's helpful. Active text. Some things like uploading texture data might happen asynchronously. Draw three things. Okay. Shader is the same one, simple shader. Multiply the vector colors. Init time. Sorry, so we're drawing three objects. Okay, draw time. I think that's where set up all the draw the sphere, draw the cube, draw the cone. Okay, cool, cool. So we need to do the draw arrays in the same function, it seems. Use program. Okay. So these seem to vector shader. Set buffers and attributes. So they all use the same program info. Mm-hmm. Ah, hmm. Since we only have a single shader program, we only called use program once. If we have different shader programs, which I do, you need to call use program before using each program. Three main things to combine. Shader program, and it's uniform and attribute. Buffer, uniforms. Simplification. Make an array of things to draw and then put those together. Okay. Yeah. At draw time, we still need to update the matrices. Mhm. Drawing the code is now just a simple loop. Okay, so it's doing the gl.use program and then set buffer attribute. So what I'm wondering is, when does it clear things? When are things cleared out? Hmm. Okay. So with draw scene. Yeah, it does the viewport enable and then clear the canvas, and then it draws everything. So let me try to adapt that to my program. So draw circle and draw scene. This should be in the in render. Is it render? Uh, Draw circle, draw scene. So let's combine that to just be draw scene. Draw scene inside of modules. And draw scene should include both the cube as well as the um yeah. So draw scene now should contain program infos. And program infos. Yeah, draw scene. Okay, program infos. Uh, Program infos should contain both the cube as well as const program info. Let's see. Program info, circle, program info. So now I have it in an array. And this array I can throw in there. Draw scene, program info. So it uses buffers. Um, Textures are gonna be different. Cube rotation. So my program infos, I think I'm gonna have to also put the texture in there, which means that this is gonna have to come after I've loaded the texture. Yeah, like so. So then I can also put the texture inside of the program info. So for this one, This is just the cube. I have texture. And then for the circle, I have circle texture. Yep. Okay. So since the those are in there, I can remove them from the arguments because now they are in the program info. Okay. So now we check out the draw scene. All right. So no longer has texture because that's in program info. So clear color, clear depth, enable depth test, clear color bit, perspective. Yeah, so I'm gonna just copy this over or move it over and see where the differences are. Okay, see. Clear color 0001.0, enable depth test, clear color bit, field of view 45, aspect canvas client width, canvas client height near 100, projection matrix map for create perspective. So far it's been a duplicate. And then, yeah, so this part is, yeah, so this part is where it gets to be different, where it deviates. Right. Hmm. Normalize that position, line buffer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Const model view matrix, still the same, still the same. And then here is where it starts to deviate. I have defined a, which I'm gonna actually port this over to do the same. Const model rotation. mat4.rotate model rotation matrix. Because currently draw scene is rotating the camera as opposed to the rectangle. And then previously I figured out how to rotate the object, which was the circle. So now I'm gonna apply that change here. So cube rotation, all right, okay. Hmm. 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 Right. So whereas for the circle, I'm only rotating around the z-axis. For a cube, which is 3D, I'm gonna rotate in all three axes. So so it's gonna be more complicated. I'm gonna have to figure that part out. And then set position attribute, set circle attribute. Hmm, use program. All right. Yeah. So gonna do this. Draw elements. Set circle position, set circle attribute. All right. Okay. I'm gonna define a separate model circle, model circle rotation matrix, just for this um, rotation. Since it's gonna be general now. Okay, circle rotation. Okay, so bind texture should be program info 0.texture 0.program. C, check all the occurrences of program info. So program info should be program info. Program info. Program info. Program infos. right. Um, Circle position attribute. Info is 1. Buffer is not circle. Mm-hmm. Texture. All right, let's give it a shot. Debug from there. All right, failed. Let's see what the error is. Draw circle is not defined in module 326. That would be this game. So I should no longer import draw circle. Okay. So it's not rotating either. The square, that is. I think that's because of the vertex shader. I need to update that with whatever I did in here, rotation matrix. In the vertex shader, U model rotation matrix. Vertex shader. Projection, view, normal. Cool. No error. Huh. View model rotation matrix. Okay, because I don't have it defined. Yeah, here. I need it there. Model view matrix. Model view matrix. View model rotation matrix. So there's no error. I think that's okay. That's fine. Clear color buffer bit. Shader. Shader program. Shader program. Circle shader program. Init buffers, init texture, program info, texture, circle texture, program infos, draw scene, program infos. So it's still clobbering each other. The circle attributes. Yeah, let me check what he did for the texture. Draw array, buffer info. So he's not using a texture. Um, hmm. Draw arrays. Uniform matrix 4V. I might not have that for the right. I don't. Model rotation matrix. Model rotation matrix. Location is not from current program. Uniform matrix 4B. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Awesome. Okay. So now we have the working cube, but we no longer have the circle. But the circle is working in the back. Let's see if I can translate something. Yeah, let's separate the model view matrices as well. So let's see, -6. Let's also make it 4. So it's gonna be offset. Move it by 4 over model circle view matrix. Circle view matrix. Circle view matrix. All right. So we did not get. Could it be that it's moved over too much? Let's try that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Cool. So we are able to render more than one thing at once. Now, next, we need to think about how we can scale it. So like multiple watermelons, multiple fruit. But this is nice, pretty cool. 3D, 3D indeed. Just like the N64 days of objects intersecting each other. Mm, Raw scene. Yeah, so we need to abstract this. Hmm, how do we do that? I'm gonna commit this first because this is a good stable, got things working before I mess things up. Version controlling things is like saving Word documents from back in the day. You always want to do it when you got something good before Windows crashes. Um, second live stream. Rendered cube and circle simultaneously. Okay, so we got that going, which is awesome. Making good progress. Yeah, draw a scene. So what I'm thinking is that with every new object, we can add on to the program. Hmm. So I'm parameterizing the offset. Um, and then in the draw scene, I want to be able to call it. So here would be 0, 0, -6. I wonder why it's -0. Well, I think we'll find out. Because I'm good. Because in this it's positive. So program info 0 dot offset. I'm translating it, which is just moving it. Program infos. Let's see. Nah. Noob mistake. I shut down the server and forgot to put it back. Alright. Cool. Not bad. Alright. Let's add another parameter called type, which will be used to distinguish between various, between the various different program codes. So type cube, type circle, and then now so up here they did the objects to draw dot for each, blah blah blah. I shall do it with this. Yeah, so up to here, fine. Let's see. Then we do this. Mhm. Yes, fine. Circle view. Okay, normal. So this normal is only part of the cube. Yeah. These as well, along with the cube. So program info 0 is now just program info. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. All of that. Throw them all up here. Check to make sure I didn't miss any of the program info zeros. Looks good. Okay. So usually, an approach that I take to coding is the first priority is to get it to work. That's number one. After I get it to work, then I clean up the code and then I try to make it more efficient, more optimized. But just right off the bat, I just want something that works. Once I get something that works, then I can make tweaks. And since I know it was working, I can hmm, that's weird. Too many spaces. Too many spaces. Yeah, once it's working, then it's much easier because then I can also verify when it's not if I broke anything. Okay, I think I got them all. Got them all. Okay, and the for loop. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see if it still works. Still works. Great. Awesome. Good. 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 Init position buffer. Okay, so currently this is what we got. We got program info, circle program info, and we got this program info. So I'm gonna put this in the render function. Program infos. Well, actually, no, it's good where it is. Um, yeah, it's good where it is. Hmm. I mean, let's start to make different textures for the different fruits. Yeah, yeah. So the fruits come in different colors and different sizes. So let's also be able to handle those. So I'm gonna rename this circle texture as watermelon texture. Watermelon, watermelon texture. Circle program info. Uh, Watermelon texture. Hmm. Yeah. So let's add something to the web page. I want to add a box, a field where you can select what fruit you want to add and also where to add it. JavaScript, game, HTML, open with Notepad. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. Well, why? Let's use select instead. ID equals fruit. Select ID fruit option. So I think the smallest was something purple. Let's call it a grape. Grape followed by cherry, lime, lemon. I think this one was honeydew. No, not honeydew. Yeah, honeydew. Honeydew. Um, apricot. Apricot. What's after apricot? Pineapple. No, there was something else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm missing. After apricot, I think there was a dragon fruit. And then there was pineapple. Pineapple, coconut, watermelon. Okay, good. Offset. Okay. Uh, right. I should add a label. Position. Offset. What should it be? Um, offset. Yeah, let's do offset. X input. for Y and Z. All right. See if we get that popping up. All right. Cool. Awesome. Great, 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 great. Well, not great actually. X, Y, Z, fruit, and then button. So that we don't actually trigger it. I like do a submit or do a page load. So yeah, add fruit. Okay, let's create a function called add fruit. That's main. Yeah, instead put it at the bottom. Okay. Yep. Program infos. Let's start with just the program info. Mhm. So main is creating the shaders, which can be reused over and over. Shader program, I believe, can also be reused over, subject to change. We'll figure that out. Buffers, I don't think we can reuse over and over. So program info, it's calling shader program, circle shader program. So I'm about to do something crazy. I'm not sure that I should. Okay, GL. I'm about to return some things. Shader program info. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Let's go back. Undo pulling program infos out. Hmm. Instead, let's do objects. Objects. Hmm. Const object. And let's not do let's not put these certain things in here. Um, yeah, yeah. So actually, we're gonna be refactoring program info, circle program info. So these are the program infos we can use. Program info, circle program info. And then objects are separate. Objects are separate. Objects will have texture and offset. Texture and offset. And type. Yeah, yeah. Texture offset type. Yeah, texture offset type. Okay. Um, put it down here. Add fruit. Gonna work on that later, but first we need to refactor things. So when we go to render, we're gonna um, draw scene and also add objects. So now we're drawing objects. Draw scene. Need to refactor this. Draw scene, program infos, rotation, and then at the very end, objects. Mm-hmm. Okay, so instead of program infos, we're going to be doing objects. Dot for each, and then it's not program info, it's object. If object type. Then the program info we use will be program info.cube. Otherwise, if it's a circle, gonna do this circle. Okay. Next, what other stuff did we take out? So texture and offset, right? Texture and offset. So now texture is not program info, not texture, it's object, not texture. Same down here. Object.texture, offset. All right, offset. Not program info.offset. Object. Dot offset. All right. Let's see. So here, add fruit. Let's just do objects dot push. All right. Cube. Texture. Mhm. All right. Type cube. Type circle. Texture. Watermelon. Add fruit. Load texture. Where is this texture being loaded? Draw scene? No, it's loaded in main. Main is here. All right. C. So it's loading. Yeah. So let's have const textures. Cube texture. Circle. Watermelon texture. Okay. Now so this is going to be a lookup table. We pass in the texture. Okay, great. Yeah, textures can also pass those in as well. So we got program infos. Yeah, let's move this down there. No, that's good. Got program infos, got textures, program infos, textures. Yeah, textures. So the actual textures we pass in, we created there and we passed them in. And then the objects, they just have the name of the texture that we want. Watermelon. All right. So let's see. Okay. Draw scene, textures, objects, object. Okay. So now we do object dot texture, texture. Object dot texture. All right. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So I have this, but I never called it. So I'll call it after main. Now let's see if it works. Uncut. All right. Program info is not defined. Modules 208, 231, 221, 197. Okay. Program info. Right. Should be object. Yep. Object type. Awesome. Awesome. Let's, yeah, this doesn't work yet. Cool. So we got this going on. Um, God. So I'm gonna put these in there as default. Yeah, there we go. So these are just default objects. And then when we want to add fruit, we can add fruit. Add fruit type circle. They're gonna all be circle. Texture will be there we go. Offset will be X. String, no, int, no, int, huh. Parse int, okay, parse. Okay, parse int, there we go. All right, okay. So we can actually do parse float. Okay. So push Yeah. All right. Let's check this out. Okay, syntax error. Game 313. Probably this. 315, 313. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the only thing we have to have is watermelon. So let's try -1 y of 1 c of 3. Let's see what happens. Um, hmm. Well, there's an error, uncut. Okay. Action, action, form. Okay. No, no, no. Okay, good. Hmm. So nothing happened. Hmm. Let's log. Okay. Yeah. So it's this is not doing anything. Add fruit is not a function. Um, add fruit. Add fruit is not a function. Hmm. Is it because it's module? Hmm. Button on click add fruit. Let's check JavaScript. Yeah, yeah. So it's a module. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 That's main. Maybe at the end of main, I'll add this. Okay. Should fix it. Let's check. Bottom. 1, -1, 2. Add fruit. Okay. So I don't see any fruit being added. Hmm. 1, 0, -6. Z, maybe it's -5. Cool. So I guess if it's positive number, then it's actually behind me. This is fun. Pretty funny. -1, y, -0.5, x, -0.5. Hmm, cool. Got some watermelons floating around. Hmm. All right. Check comments. Anyone leave any comments? Thank you all for joining my stream. Why do you programming in Notepad? That's a good question. Um, yeah, it's it's because every computer has Notepad. Like I guess I've programmed. I mean, I probably most developers they have like their setup. There's just their developer machine that they have set up just the way they like. But I guess I've had to program in a lot of different scenarios or situations, and basically there were times that I didn't have time to get just my perfect setup. So over the years, I just sort of went down to the lowest common denominator, which is for Windows Notepad and Linux, it's BI. Yeah, so just basically any text editor, and I'm able to get my job done. So, so yeah, You can use Notepad. You don't need to use a fancy IDE. Though, yeah, IDEs are definitely more convenient. Like for example, indentation. I have to put in all the spaces, which is, yeah, it's not very efficient. But yeah, that's a good question. So I think we're good. How to render multiple objects at the same time. We got that done. I'm gonna so just a um I'm gonna start adding assets. So yeah, yes, I my day job is a software programmer. Let's see. So huh, wanted to load up in Inkscape so that I can start drawing other fruits besides the water. So I think to start, my assets are gonna be pretty basic because I just want like some visual indicators of what's going on. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Um, yeah. So let's create some some circles. Document. Okay, I'm gonna make all my assets 200 by 200 um cubes. Makes it easier to render. Um, so first we're gonna draw a grape. This is my grape. Let's see, what should I make it? Color. Purple. That looks good to me. Stroke. Same thing. Uh, 800080. All right. That's my grape. These are, let's see, is this where I saved my watermelon? Yes. So let's save my grape here as well. And then I'll export it. Export PNG. Drawing. Oh, wait. No, no, no. I have X should be 0, Y should be 0, 100, or not 100, 200, 200. There we go. Y is 0 as well. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Export as, navigate to the directory, Suika Game, public, images, watermelon. That's where I have my watermelon. This shall be grape. All right. Next, cherry. Cherry is gonna be grape, except it's gonna be red. All right. Export this. Drawing. Export as Suika Game. Public. Images. Cherry. Save. Save as. Next fruit is lime. Lime. So now then, okay, lime. Lime has a light green peel and green insides, and yeah, and it's got lines. So that'll be fun. So for the light green peel, I want set the color to this. How's this look? Maybe lighter. Maybe lighter still. Yeah, maybe this color. So what is this color? DDFF55. DDFF55. No, it was this E5FF80. E5 E5 E58850. No, E5FF80. E5FF80. Okay, so that'll be heel. Draw another circle with the actual line. Oh, there is a lime color. That's interesting. 00FF00. But I don't want the outside to be lime. I want the inside. Okay. Let's see here. So X. Okay. So X was 00. That's the top left corner, I believe. So how about 10? 10. Yeah. No, no. Well, maybe that'll work. So was 200 across minus 20, 180, 180. There we go. That looks okay. That looks fine. And now random line. Do some line. Can't be a line without ellipsis arc. Why not? Looks good. So I'm gonna make the line the same color as um Yeah, as the peel. So something like that. All right. Let's see here. Okay. X 100. But I wonder if the center is 100 or is it? All right. Let's see. 1 or 98 rather. 90. And then let's make Y 5. Okay. Width 4. Height. What should the height be? 200 minus 10. 190. All right. So I'm gonna make. Oh no, that sucks. I just lost. See what I got so far. Grape, cherry, watermelon. Two hundred, 200. Fill. Okay. Let's see. Drag to adjust. Middle click to remove. Middle click to remove. Let's try it. Okay. So peel again. The peel. This set stroke. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And then another circle. Gonna be lime. Set stroke as well. Now let's put them in the right places. So 0, 0, 200, 200. 10, 10, 180, 180. Now then the lines. '98, 5, width, 4, 190. Before I lose it, I'm gonna save it. Replace the line, the old line. Copy. Control Alt V. Two of them. How many of them should I have? Let's just go with that. All right, two of them. Rotate them. I'm gonna rotate, transform, rotate them, angle. Let's see. So 40, 60, 60. 60. All right, works. 60 degrees the other way. How's that? How's that for a line? Good enough for me. Okay, got the lime. Now let's make a lemon. So the lemon's gonna be the lime with one minor difference. It's gonna make the color yellow, maybe a brighter yellow. Brighter? Hmm, like this one better. Um, there we go. So there's the lemon. Great. Okay. Lime, lemon. Ah, what's next? Apricot? No. Honeydew. Honeydew. All right, honeydew. For the honeydew, I'm gonna remove these lines. Honeydews ain't got no lines. And it'll be a yeah, something like that. Yeah, brighter. Something brighter. Hmm. And honeydews have little seeds. I'm gonna make some seeds. Honeydew seeds are in the middle. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Gonna make the seeds yellow. Yellow seeds. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right. Uh, gonna make them circles. All right. Just copied and pasted a lot of seeds. All right. Does this look like a passable honeydew? I don't know. Works for me. I'm not an artist. No. I'm an abstract artist. Yeah. Okay. Honeydew. Next, apricot. Oh wait. Should export this first. Check what we got so far. We got grape, we got cherry, lime, lemon, watermelon, honeydew. All right. Next, let's make an apricot. Apricot. It's a pretty big apricot. Apricot. Just gonna. So apricot, just gonna make the skin red, make the inside white, and the seeds dark, something dark brownish. Yeah, 8060. Hmm. Right. Apricots only have one seed, so gonna remove all of these. Instead, let's see, what's it gonna be? Let's just do 80, 80, 20, 20. No. 80, that'd be 40. That might be too big. Oh, that's too small. 30, 30. Yeah, 30, 30. 90? No. 15, 85. There we go. Apricot. Strange looking apricot. Whatever. No, yeah, it's not exactly an apricot, but I don't know what the name. So we're just gonna go with apricot. Oh, wait. No. So I was making a dragon fruit. So let's continue. No longer an apricot, it's a dragon fruit. What's an apricot? All right, apricots are orange. Hmm. let's as what it really is, which is a dragon fruit. And then now we export it. All right. Gives me time to think about what an apricot is. Apricot. Apricot. Dark orange. Dark orange skin. Light orange meat. Or peach. Peach like meat. Maybe something like that. Hmm. 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 Let's go with this. Hmm. Watch. Yeah, let's just go with this. For the skin, maybe something lighter, darker. Sure. Kind of strange, but oh well, whatever. All right. See, 85, 85, 30, 30. That's the pit. Okay. See what we got left. Um, Grape, cherry, lime, lemon, honeydew, apricot, dragon fruit. This dragon fruit looks weird. Hmm. Let's re-export the dragon fruit. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're missing the pineapple and the watermelon. Pineapple and the coconut. Okay. Export. I probably had the selection. I probably exported the selection and not the thing. Okay, so now let's do the Yeah, let's do the coconut first. Coconut is easy. That's the coconut. Make this brown. Yep, that's the coconut. Ah, great. It's taking up system resources. Runtime broker. Hmm. Alright. Time to launch Inkscape again. Hmm. Coconut and pineapple. We're almost there. Coconut. Coconut. Don't need the center. This will be white. This will be dark brown. Set the stroke as well. There we go. Easy peasy. And then finally the pineapple. Now, pineapple, I wonder if I wanna do something crazy, but I don't. I really don't. Hmm. What I'm going to do is make it a hollow center, and that's it. Let's see. So let's put it at 60, and then 200 minus 80. Yeah, looks about right. Set this to be yellow, pineapple yellow. Think that'll work. And then do that. And then I wonder if there's a way to subtract clip. Okay, different. There we go. Pineapple. All right, done. Done generating the assets. I believe. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we are. Can close down Inkscape. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you too, Davis. Have a good night. Hmm. All right. So now let's see if we can load in these new assets. Uh, yes, image. Okay, great. So we got grape, um, cherry, lime, lemon, honeydew, apricot, plain apple. Missing something, right? Dragon fruit, pineapple, coconut, 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 pineapple, dragon fruit, apricot, honeydew, honeydew, lemon, lime, cherry, grape. All right. So load up these textures. Um, grape, grape, cherry, cherry, lime, lime texture, lemon, lemon texture, honey, dew, dew texture, apricot, 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 apricot texture, dragon fruit, fruit texture, pineapple, pineapple texture, coconut texture. All right. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see whether we can show lots of fruits. It's lagging. So I'm betting it was lagging because it was loading up assets. So let's just do, let's see, x -1, y 0.5, z -10. Let's do that. Okay, can barely see it. The purple orb floating in the back. Cherry. Let's move it up by 1, by 0.5. 9. Okay, there you go. We can see the cherry. We can see the grape. Cherry, grape, lime, lime. 1, 1.5. Do that. 8. So it's on top of the cherry. Yeah, rotating lime. Cool. Lemon. Do 2, 7. Hmm. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. So it's hitting the edge. So let's go the other direction. -1. Lemon. Um, honeydew. So it's interesting. I did not intend this, but it looks like the fruit are different sizes, but they're actually the same size. It's just the farther they are, the smaller they look. But yes, size is also gonna be something that I will have to address. Honeydew, -1, -1, -7. There we go. Apricot, -1, -1.5, -6. At fruit, apricot. Okay, hit the edge again. Um, 1, -5. Dragon fruit. Running out of space. 1, -1. No, wait. 1, and then 2, -4. Pineapple. All right. Okay. Interesting. So the pineapple, the center of the pineapple is opaque. That's gonna be something that I have to look into. Is that if there's no color, it's not gonna be opaque. It's gonna be um totally empty. Pineapple, coconut. Why not? Why not? I'm out of space anyways. Yeah, there we go. And obviously watermelon. Cool. Awesome. So I think this is a success, I would say. Things went very well tonight. And I remove this debugging line. Yeah, things went very well tonight. I'm able to add these objects now using this HTML form and set their position. Yeah, so let's see. To do next time. Next time, I think I will address the sizes. Uh, make fruits of sizes. So that's gonna be a scaling issue. Okay, and then also what we saw earlier. Oh, passive, transparent, transparent, where no texture. Yeah, so it looks good to me. We got more to dos. Gravity, object interaction. Let's version control this and call it a night. Let's see. Parameterize the addition of multiple objects. Added HTML form testing. Adding new objects. Added assets for all fruit. Did a lot this stream. Okay. Thank you all for watching, for joining this stream. And by all everyone, I mean, let's see how many people were here. Oh wow. Oh, this is impressive. Yeah, I'm impressed. Wow. 4 people at some point in time, 26 total viewed. Thank you all. I'm very thankful for this turnout. It's my best turnout ever. Okay. See y'all later.